Welcome to the DFI Barcade. As we enter the Barcade, you can see we equip the stairs with LED lighting that matches all the other LED lighting throughout the Barcade. As we reach the bottom of the stairs, the arcade part of our Barcade is right in front of us. You can see here we have an arcade 1-up centipede machine, which was our first arcade game. Right above the centipede machine is our high score TV. On this TV, we display high scores for all of our games, as well as some information about tournaments and other things that might be going on at the Barcade. As we move to our right, you see our Pac-Man ghost portraits, and below that, a TV which serves as our main gaming TV. Hooked up to the TV, we have an NVIDIA Shield, Nintendo Switch, and a Nintendo Wii. On here we have a ton of arcade games from many generations of consoles. Next to the TV, we have a 10-inch tablet that serves as our gaming scorekeeper that we use to enter high scores and display leaderboards and other stats. Here you can see a short demo of how the tablet works. Next is our virtual pinball machine. We'll go over more specifics of the machine in another video. Here you can see a quick demo of me playing Attack from Mars, with the main screen being on the left and the back glass display on the right. Behind us is the main seating area for our arcade. It has 2 chairs and a bunch of beanbag chairs, along with a custom-made table we made to serve as a coffee table and a place to keep and charge all the different controllers. Attached to the arcade area, but moving into the bar part of our barcade, is our dartboard. We used wine corks to surround the dartboard, and around that are 2 magnetic whiteboards. On the floor in front of the board, we have a gym mat runway to catch any bounce outs before they hit the wood flooring. At the end of the gym mat, we have a custom-made throw line. Next to the dartboard throwing area, on the wall, we have our scoring tablet, which serves as a picture frame when it's not in use. Here you can see a quick demo of the scoring app in use. Moving on to the bar area, we have our custom-made 8-foot long bar. Inside the bar, we have LED strip lighting. The bar was made by us using commonly available wood and has a top made out of individually sized and stained pieces of 1x4s. Above and behind the bar is our bar TV. And next to that is our bar fridge. Behind the bar, we have our built-in shelving, in which we added mirrors to the back of. On the insides of the shelves, we have sunken LED strip lighting. Overhead, we've got some hanging pendant lights that we left uncovered. On the beam above the bar, we have our bobbleheads. On the beam behind the bar, we have some LED scoreboards. The first is for baseball and displays MLB scores as well as live in-game scoring on game days. Next to that, we have our NHL scoreboard, which shows NHL scores and live in-game scoring on game days. As we move away from the bar, we head out to the entertainment area, and then into our tavern. On the wall, you can see our portable pool table. Our entertainment area can be quickly converted into our billiards area. It's a pretty small pool table, and we're not very good, but it gets a lot of use. Next to our pool table, against the wall, is the pool cue holder and billiard supply storage that we built. Oz is happy and rates the Barcade as perfect. Well, that about does it for the quick tour of the Barcade. Stay tuned for more videos that go more in depth into the operation of the Barcade and what went into building and setting it all up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to keep up to date on everything we're doing here at DFI.